All right, guys, so I want to thank you if you stuck with me all the way through to the end of this video. I know this was an extremely long one. It's been a very long day for me as well, but I do appreciate you watching it all the way through. So something I want to let you know, I think the most important takeaway from this is what you watched today was not the inspection itself. The inspection itself takes anywhere from 2 to 3 hours, and you really need to use your list when you do the inspection. What I tried to do was walk you through and make sure that I touched on most, if not all, of the points. But the idea is that you can take this list that I have, you can take it on the Jobber app, and you can start at step 1, and you can go through this house, and if you just follow every single step and swipe up one step at a time and document everything, you're going to find all the issues that are wrong with this property. You're going to be able to do a true, thorough property inspection that I don't think anybody would be able to come behind you and really find much of anything that wasn't extremely minor that you missed. So with all that being said, just make sure you use a list, make sure you're extremely thorough, and just go through this entire process step by step. And the end result is going to be that you identify all the problems as soon as possible. You can get them all assigned out to the necessary vendors as soon as possible, get everything fixed, and ultimately get new renters back into this house. Because what are we doing if not trying to hurry up and get renters back into this house? Like I said before, a vacant property is a liability. An occupied property is an asset. Our job is to make sure that our clients' assets remain assets. So again, thank you for joining me today. I hope the list is useful. If you have anything to add, please do let me know, whether you go down to the comments to add it, or you can email me personally at bulletproofhandymanbusiness@gmail.com. Anything I've missed on this list, because I'm also not perfect, anything I've missed, if it's a legit item that should be on the list, I'll make sure to add it to that list before I start sending it out to everybody. And finally, one last reminder, go down to the description of this video where you can click on the link to request this list from me, and I will get it sent to you personally. There's also a link in the description of this video to get your free trial of Jobber, which is where this list is going to be. It'll live on your phone on the app as you walk through the house doing the inspection. If you use my link to get your free trial, I can send you the list. You can get it imported into your Jobber account, do your inspections, and using my link will get you a 14-day free trial and 20% off for the first 6 months. Other than that, I hope you guys are all out there killing it, and I will see you next time.